In this video, I'm going to show you how to open an Olymp Trade account. 1. Open your web browser and visit the official Olymp Trade website. You can find it at www.olymptrade.com. Once on the website, locate the Sign Up button prominently displayed on the homepage. Click on this button to initiate the account creation process. Next, upon clicking Sign Up, you'll be presented with a registration form. Fill in the required fields, including your email address, password, and preferred currency. Ensure that your password is strong and unique to protect your account from unauthorized access. And after providing the necessary information, click on the Sign Up button to proceed with creating your account. After that, you need to check your email for a confirmation email, click the verification link, and then verify your account. To comply with the regulatory requirements, provide your full name, date of birth, country of residence, and phone number. Accept the terms and conditions, and then you're ready to use your trading account. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.